Hi, my name is Lindsay Nelms and I am from San Diego, California. After graduating college, I wanted to really have a good career under my belt and decided to take on my real estate license, and ever since then I've loved it. When I first heard about Sentry, I was referred from a mutual friend in the real estate business, and she told me about this great opportunity working for this great company who primarily works with veterans finding homes, and I just thought that was amazing. I loved that I was going to potentially be working for a company that had a niche and had a purpose, and I thought that gave me a lot of drive to want to be a part of Sentry Residential. My first time meeting Mike Chazelle went very well. I met him here at our office at Common Grounds, which is an amazing place that I'm so grateful to be able to come to every day. We had a wonderful, casual conversation just about life, getting to know one another, and it was just so easy because Mike is just such an easygoing, true, down-to-heart guy. Then after I met Mike, I met with Dan, and equally so. Both him and Dan are just so down to earth, great people to work for, and we connected right off the bat. I joined Sentry Residential because I wanted to further my career in real estate, and after meeting both Mike and Dan, I just knew that this was the place for me. And being able to broaden my knowledge of San Diego County while at the same time helping veterans find homes, it was just the perfect match. I'm Lindsay Nelms and I serve with Sentry.
All right, so one last question for you. Lindsay, you've been asked this before, but what is your spirit animal?
My spirit animal, I would say, would be a llama.
And why?
The reason why my spirit animal is a llama is because I feel like they are very easygoing creatures that just are relaxed in nature and really appreciate what nature has to provide. And I'm pretty good at making a llama face.
And of course, we need to see the llama face.